How to turn on and turn off auto brightness in your iPhone devices. First up, open up the Settings app in your phone and then scroll down until you see an option called Accessibility. Here, you can see an option called Display and Text Size under the Vision option. Simply click on it and then all you have to do is scroll to the bottom of this section. After scrolling down for a little bit, you can see an option called Auto Brightness at the bottom of the screen. You can see that there is a switch next to the auto brightness option, which if turned on enables the auto brightness mode in your device, and if turned off disables the auto brightness mode in your device. According to what you prefer to do, you can either turn on or turn off your auto brightness mode in your device. And this is how you can easily enable or disable or turn on and turn off your auto brightness mode. We hope this tutorial helped you. Thank you for watching and do subscribe to our channel for more such useful videos.